Good morning, dear students. So, dear students, in the previous class, you studied that what do you mean by triangle, sides of triangle, angles of triangle, and classification of triangle based on their angles and sides. And also, you studied that median of a triangle. Median means a line segment that divides the baseline in the midpoint from the opposite vertex of the point, from the opposite vertex ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಮೀಡಿಯನ್ ಅಂತಾನೆ, ಒಂದು ಮಧ್ಯ ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಮಧ್ಯವಿಂದ ಏನಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ವರ್ಟೆಕ್ಸ್, ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಬೇಸ್ನ ಮಿಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಗೆ ಏನಾಗಿರಬೇಕು, ದಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ದೆನ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಮೀಡಿಯನ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಟ್ ಮೀಡಿಯನ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ಸ್ ದ ಗಿವನ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಇಂಟು equal of ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ in equilateral triangle. And also we studied that altitude of a triangle. Altitude is nothing but height of a triangle. Altitude is nothing but height of a triangle, alva. So we studied that, but in the right angle case, that's easy to find the height in the acute angle also, but to find the altitude of a triangle we should extend base side in obtuse angle triangle. So we have studied those concepts in the previous class, and also we solved the exercise 6.1 problems. Today we shall move on to the exterior angle of a triangle. In the chapter the triangle and its properties, in the chapter the triangle and its properties, we shall move on to exterior angle of a triangle. ವರಕೋನ ಏನಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದು ತ್ರಿಭುಜದ ವರಕೋನದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ನೋಡಿ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೀರಿಯರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಇನ್ ಎ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೀರಿಯರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. ಇನ್ ಎ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಇನ್ ಎ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಇಂಟೀರಿಯರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್, ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೀರಿಯರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಗಿವನ್ ದ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅನ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಅಂತ ಈ ಶೇಪ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್, ನಾನು ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇದ್ದರೆ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಂಟೀರಿಯರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೀರಿಯರ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ನೋಡಿ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೀರಿಯರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಇನ್ ಎ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್. ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ದ sides and vertices of the triangle but located outside the triangle. So angle, exterior angle also formed by sides and vertices, but that angle is outside the triangle. ಆ ತ್ರಿಭುಜದ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಆ ಕೋನ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ exterior angle. But they contain both vertex and sides also. So see here will be there. This is triangle, its formation with the three sides, AB one side, BC another side, and CA third side. Totally three sides will be there. Angle A one, angle B second angle, angle C third angle. Vertex A vertex, B vertex, C vertex. Totally three vertex. Angle will be formed by when two rays meet at a one common point. ಈ ಎರಡು ರೇಖೆಗಳು ಒಂದು ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ಬಿಂದುವಿನ ಹತ್ರ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು, ಕೊನೆಗಾಣಬೇಕು. ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಪರ್ಶಿಸಿದೆ, ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆದರೆ ಈ ಎರಡೂ ರೇಖೆಗಳು ಬಂದು ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. therefore there is a formation of angle. For the formation of angle we should require two rays. ಎರಡು ರೇಸ್ ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. So exterior angle means angle formed by the sides and vertex of a triangle but located outside the triangle. Triangle ಇಂದ ಹೊರಗಡೆ located ಆಗಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ. So we should locate that one now. I located here. So from this point this line is extended. Extend ಆಗಿದೆ from the vertex point C. From the vertex point C a line is extended. Then so if the line is extended means there is a formation of angle. ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಟೂ ರೇಸ್. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಸಿ ಒನ್ ಸೈಡ್, ಸಿ ಡಿ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಸಿ ಡಿ ಅನದರ್ ಸೈಡ್. ಸೊ ಈ ಟೂ ರೇಸ್ ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಮೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ದೆನ್ ದೆರ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್, ಕೋನ. ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಎಸ್ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ಲೈನ್ ದಿಸ್ ದೆರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡೆಡ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ದ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಈಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ ದ triangle. So angle is located outside the triangle. That's why this angle is called as exterior angle. Horakona. So many exterior angle possible to draw in a given triangle. Nodi eegondu draw madidre this is also an angle, this is also angle, this is also angle. Here also 1 2 3 illus 1 2 3. For in a triangle for one vertex is we should draw at least. ಸೊ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ 3 ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಲ್ವಾ. ಎಸ್. ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್. ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೀರಿಯರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್. ಹೇಗೆ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ದಟ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಡ್ ಆರ್ ಲೊಕೇಟೆಡ್ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ ದ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್. ಲೊಕೇಟೆಡ್ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ ದ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್. ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ನ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೀರಿಯರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್. ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ exterior angles. Next, this is very important concept. See, the exterior angle is equal to the sum of the opposite two interior angles. Dear students, these are the exterior angles alva. Yavudadru ondu exterior angle tagondre, not angles. If we take an angle that is exterior angle, yavudadru ondu varakonada ತಗೊಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಅದರ ಮೊತ್ತ ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ದೀಸ್ ಟು ಆರ್ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಯು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಸ್ಟಡಿಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ರಿಪೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೀರಿಯರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ದ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಟು ಇಂಟೀರಿಯರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ ದಿಸ್. ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಅಟ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಬೈ ಆರ್ಟ್ ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಇದನ್ನು, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೀರಿಯರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟು, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ 10th ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್. The exterior angle is equal to the sum of the opposite two interior angles. See here, angle 4 is exterior angle, yes, because it's formed outside the triangle. So outside the triangle formation is, therefore angle 4 is exterior angle. So interior angles are angle 1, angle 2, angle 3. So in a triangle 3 interior angles will be formed. So this exterior angle, angle 4 is exterior angle. This exterior angle is equal to what? Which are the interior opposite angles? Angle 1 and angle 2 are the two opposite interior angles. Opposite agide. Nenpitkodri. These two are opposite interior angle for the this angle 4 ge exterior angle ge ಎರಡು opposite interior angle. Then according to the exterior angle concept, exterior angle of a triangle concept, exterior angle is equal to the sum of ಎರಡರ ಮೊತ್ತ, sum of two opposite interior angle. ಎರಡು opposite interior angle ನ sum ಮಾಡಿದರೆ these two sum is equal to exterior angle. They told like no. Exterior angle is equal to sum of two opposite interior angle. Two opposite interior angle. ಎರಡು opposite interior angle ನ sum ಮಾಡಿದರೆ we should get exterior angle. Next, so for this one, so ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? Yes, that is exterior angle is equal to sum of two opposite interior angles. For this, based on exterior angle of a triangle, in the exercise 6.2 they given two questions. So first question is direct question. They given we should find the, or we have to find the value of exterior angle. They given interior angles. In the second question they given that the value of two angles they given, we should find the value of another angle by using the concept of exterior angle of a triangle. Okay, we should discuss one by one. First one, find the value of the unknown exterior angle. So this unknown comes in the chapter simple equation, algebraic equation, but that means unknown means we don't know the value of that x. We should find the value of that x alva. in the following diagram. First one, they give one triangle. In that one angle is 50 degree, another angle is 70 degree, but they didn't given the value of this exterior angle. So we know that exterior angle is equal to sum of two opposite interior angle. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಈ ಎರಡು ಆಂಗಲ್ ನ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರುತ್ತೋ ಅದು ಇದ್ರ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. For example, first one, since exterior angle is equal to sum of two opposite interior angle or opposite angles alva, therefore we should find the value of x. X is equal to, first one is 50 degree, second one is 70 degree, that is equal to 120 degree. Andre exterior is equal to sum of two opposite interior angles. Opposite ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಇಂಟೀರಿಯರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ನಾನು ಎರಡನ್ನೂ ಸಮ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅವೆರಡು ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು? Those should be opposite to the exterior angle. Second one, here x is the exterior angle. For this one, these two are opposite interior angles. We should add these two. So x is equal to 65 plus 45, that is equal to 110 degree for the second one. Third one, for this exterior angle, these two are the opposite interior angles. We should add these two. Therefore x is equal to, this is 30 degree plus 40 degree, that gives to 70 degree. Fourth one, this is the exterior angle. We should find the value of this x. These two are opposite interior angle. Therefore x is equal to 60 plus 60, that is equal to 120 degree. Next, this is the triangle. In this one, this is exterior angle. In this triangle, this is exterior angle. Exterior angle is equal to 50 plus 50. These two are the opposite interior angle. We should add these two. Therefore x is equal to opposite interior angle sum ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ 50 plus 50, 100 degree. Therefore x is equal to 100. X is equal to 120 for this. X is equal to 110 degree for second one. X is equal to 70 degree for third one. X is equal to 120 degree for fourth one. X is equal to 100 degree for fifth one. And last one, x, this is the exterior angle, and these two are opposite interior angles. Therefore we should add these two. X is equal to 30 degree plus 60 degree. So x is equal to 60 plus 30 is 90 degree. Therefore the value of exterior angle is equal to 90 degree. Next, second question. In this second question also same thing, dear students, but they given one angle. Here also one exterior angle and two opposite interior angles they given, alva. So but here we have to find the value of x. Here we use the same concept of exterior angle is equal to sum of two opposite interior angles, alva. ನೋಡಿ, exterior angle opposite to interior angle. So we know that exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angles. For the first one, 115 degree is equal to x plus 50 degree, alva. Yes, we should find the value of x. So plus 50 degree is shifted to this side. Avaganatte plus 50 gets minus 50. So 115 degree minus 50 degree is equal to 65 degree. Nodi. And second one, we should find the value of x. These two are interior angles and this is exterior angle. Therefore sum of two interior angles, that is x plus 70 degree, is equal to exterior angle, that is 100 degree. In this one we should find the value of x. Therefore x is equal to this 100 degree plus 70 that move from RHS side to the LHS side means that's become minus 70 degree. Therefore x is equal to 100 minus 70 degree, that is equal to 30 degree. Next, third one. So here they given this is an exterior angle and this is interior angle, and this one also interior angle. So here they given one clue, that is L shape is L. That means this angle, the measure of this angle is 90 degree. Therefore x plus 90 degree is equal to 125 degree. Alva? Yes. So 125 degree. So we should find the value of x. Therefore x is equal to, we should shift this plus 90 degree from LHS side to the RHS side. Then that's become x is equal to 120 degree minus 90 degree, that is equal to 35 degree. Next, fourth one. These two are interior angle, this is exterior angle. For this, these two are opposite angles. So 120 degree andre x plus 60 degree is equal to 120 degree. Alva? Opposite interior angle sum madare we get exterior angle. So we want to find the value of this x. So we should shift this plus 60 degree from LHS side to the RHS side. Then that's become x is equal to 120 degree minus 60 degree, that is equal to 60 degree. Next, fifth one. 30 degree plus x is equal to 180 degree. So here we should find the value of x. So we don't want this 30 degree, we should shift this 30 degree from LHS side to the RHS side. Then this become x is equal to 80 degree minus 30 degree, that is equal to 50 degree. As like this, last one you should try to solve. This is the same thing, but you should understand and try to solve. So here we should find the value of x in this problem. For that one, we don't want this 35 degrees, so we should shift this from LHS side to the RHS side. Then x is equal to 75 degree minus 35 degree, that is equal to 40 degree. So here these are the answer for these questions based on exterior angle of a triangle. So at the end, so dear students, in the last 6.2 you should write exercise 6.2 question and answer. This is question first and this is question second. So please copy these two questions in your mathematics notes. Okay, and also first you should write this definition. The exterior angle is equal to the sum of the opposite two interior angle definition. Then you should write the figure of this one. After that you should write this one. Then you solve the problem of exercise 6.2. In that one, question number 1 you should complete. After that you should go to the question number 2, complete this one. Okay, this is the homework or today's homework for you. Thank you, students.